Hi guys, Steph here. First of all, don't forget, just below there, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you don't, as always, no problem. Don't forget to subscribe as well to the channel. So, for you regular viewers who watch my videos, you would have seen my recent pen haul video, and you'll remember I teased you with this. What is it? I heard you say. Okay, look at that. Lovely. Comes in this sort of dark green, fern green and purple marbling colour. And to the top, there's the clue. We've got a W for Waterman. So the pen itself is inside, which we'll show you in a moment, but you can see it comes in this sort of tube or chaterlaine holder. Okay, so very nice indeed with this gold trim to the very top there. And what we do, we simply pop it open like so, and inside we have the pen. Look at that lovely pen. Also in this lovely green, purple, mauve marbling. And it actually, in the sun, it's got this lovely shimmer to it as well. Let's go straight to the top there. You'll see it's got the Ideal logo to the top of the cap there, and to the clip, or not the clip should I say, the barrel, sorry, I'm not with it today, the cap there, the cap ring, you've got Waterman, and then if we turn it round, it also says made in France. So what we've got for you is a Waterman Ideal Lady Agatha fountain pen. Absolutely lovely and quite desirable by sort of checking out on Google. Comes, as I said, in this lovely marbling with gold trim or gold plated trim. You can see to the bottom there it's got this sort of end cap, if you like. It's got these lines to it as well, as we've shown you, the cap band there, and to the top there, sort of matching the bottom, this lined finial with the word Ideal to the very to the very top of the cap there. It's quite a small pen. The pen capped is 110 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's 10 millimeters in diameter. So as I said, it's quite a small pen. Although it's a small pen, very, very nice indeed. And as I said, quite desirable. It's got a friction cap, which we'll pull off as we've done there. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. Now, the Waterman Lady Agathas, I believe they came in different marbling colours as well. I'm not 100% sure, but I have actually seen them in different colours. And I believe they were launched around about the very early 1990s. I may be wrong. If you know better, you know what to do. Help us out. Leave a comment down below. So the section there, you see it's got this lined section, quite a long section as well. Okay, but quite comfortable. Even with my large hands, it's still a comfortable pen to hold. And I'm assuming because of this end piece to the end of the barrel. Now, I'm not a person for recommending people post post the cap, but there you go. I think it's actually designed to do that, and then all of a sudden it makes this pen even more comfortable and lengthy to hold in the hand. Okay, so as we've just said, quite a long section with these lines running through it, and then if we take you up to the nib there, let's keep it nice and still for you. And because it's a pen made in France, it's a 18 karat 750 nib, and it's also got Waterman Ideal Paris, and then as I've just said, 18 karat 750 to the very bottom of the nib. So there's sideways view for you. You've got the feed there, quite well, being sort of early 1990s, I wouldn't consider it vintage, quite new. So it's got quite a new feed of the period there from Waterman's, and you'll notice it's also got a letter M, indicating that the nib is a medium nib. Okay, so very, very attractive, very nice pen indeed. I've got to be quite honest, it's not my cup of tea, but I know there's people that collect these particular pens, and as I said, they are quite desirable, especially with the 18 karat gold nibs. Okay, so let's pop the cap back. As I said, it's a friction fit cap. There you go. Clicks on as it should with a very satisfying click. But let's try and show you the material close up. There we go. As I say, it looks even nicer in the hand, and it's got a slight shimmer, especially to these purple colours. A lovely, lovely pen indeed. And as we mentioned earlier, it comes with this chaterlaine holder. So what happens once you finish with the pen, pop it into the holder like so, and just, there we go, lock it into place, and there we have it. A lovely Waterman's Lady Agatha fountain pen from the early 1990s in this gorgeous sort of green, purple, mauve marbling. Lovely, lovely pen. So there you have it. That was the mystery pen for some of you people, because I know some of you people like to see them. So what we've got is a Waterman Lady Agatha Ideal fountain pen. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, as I said, subscribe, leave a comment down below, don't be shy, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this gorgeous pen. Bye bye for now.